Well, there it is again, all froze up, and I'm going to melt it off again. This time it lasted about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months maybe, 3, 4 months, I'm not even sure. I'm not sure why it does this, but it does, and it has to be all thawed out again, because that fan right there continues to run when it's like that, and that's not good. Okay, you can see it's almost defrosted now, those coils. And I did some research. What they're saying is, I don't know if you see that black cord down there. I believe it's a heater cord. And there's a timer down in the lower refrigerator part. Okay, that panel there, this is down in the refrigerator. Not the freezer, but down below in the refrigerator. That cover has to come down. That's where that timing mechanism is that you adjust to defrost the freezer. So I have to take that panel down. And up in there someplace there's a little screw hole. And it all has to be tested. And I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm pretending. If that's not working, that heater cord won't come on and defrost those fins. Okay, so that's what I have to look into, is getting it's a thermostat timer or something like that. I gotta get the model number and all this crap. Okay, later.